And then do you know what he looked at?
I love her as a teacher.
Cells can also be specialized.
You would never guess this is Missy Doolin's first year at Antioch.
I just feel like bringing real-world experiences into the classroom is great for students.
After 20 years in the corporate world as a lab technician, Missy traded a lab room for a classroom.
To bring hands-on material to their lives is pretty neat to see, and especially when the students get that wow, like aha moments. It's amazing to see the looks on their face.
The Antioch science teacher is passionate about her new job.
She inspires us to do what we love, and she helps us learn not just about plants and all that stuff, but about science.
And creating connections with students. Missy strengthens that bond each day.
So Maddie, the most important thing that helps me, every morning I greet my students with a fist bump and I call them by their name.
Students love her hands-on learning approach.
I love animals like this. I think it's so cool.
Like interacting with classroom critters, growing plants inside.
Get the actual experience of growing the plants, seeing the plants, taking care of the plants instead of just reading about it.
And digging into gardens outside. She also jumped into coaching, girls basketball, track, and boys football.
They welcomed me with open arms. Being the only female coach for football was amazing. By the end of the season, they let me start play calling.
None of this surprises school counselor George Tombaugh.
People know who Missy Doolin is in our building, even though this is her first year here, because of the impact she's made on our kids.
Hi, Brianna.
Missy embodies North Kansas City Schools' mission.
She really, I can say, inspires staff just because the way she continues to interact with those kids relentlessly, as we talk about our relentless champions, she never gives up on kids.